The second line of the passage shows that Obama had enjoyed the conversations with Trump, and so it cannot be irritating or boring, indicated by AG, or perturbed, as choice E and F respectively. So choice E and F are to be eliminated. Someone who is uncommunicative or reticent or taciturn cannot be engaging, and so we can predict that the blank will be filled with anything synonymous to engaging, because the word "and" after the word engaging give us such hint. Both gregarious and convivial, as choice A and D, respectively, means a condition of being lively and sociable. So we can accept choice A and choice D, and we can easily eliminate choice B and choice C. So the correct answers are choice A and choice D.